Here's the new model of air fryer from HiCOZY. I do have to say they sent it to us to test, but they're great about it. They gave us no instructions. So what we're going to do is we're going to test it out, make sure it works. And tonight, Nikki has found a cool new way to make baked potatoes. So we're going to make some really cool baked potatoes. You can do all kinds of things. There are all kinds of options on this, all the way from the conventional air fryer. You can bake, you can dehydrate, you can do pretty much anything. The controls are all right here on the front. They are super easy and very clear to read, which I think is really great. And that should be perfect for making part of this evening's dinner. Nikki and I are having a delicious steak and potatoes evening, but she found a really cool recipe to make some amazing looking baked potatoes in an air fryer. So we're going to give it a shot, just so you know how well this works. What do you say we try making some baked potatoes? Oh, looking good, looking good. I'm glad I made these. Oh, look at that. That is ridiculously delicious and perfect looking, and it is the perfect size for these potatoes. I think you could probably make a full 4 in there if you wanted to.
Definitely.
Okay, this is the final word on whether the air fryer worked and whether Nikki's recipe worked. Let's do it. Oh, look at the steam coming out of that.
Ooh.
That is definitely cooked. That is amazing. It's hot. I hope this was helpful. If you have a recipe that you want everybody else to know, put it in the comments below, and we will see you next time.